Concept maps are easy to create in Visual Paradigm Online OpenDocs, and you can make them reusable or keep them on a single page. If you want a reusable version, start by clicking the plus icon next to a node and choose New Component Page. A new diagram item will be created in your space. When the diagram selector appears, choose Mind Maps, then pick Concept Map. You'll enter the editor with a simple layout that's ready for your concepts and relationships. You can build the map from scratch or let Create with AI give you a quick starting point. Just keep in mind that AI replaces whatever is already on the canvas. Once the draft is generated, you can reorganize the concepts, adjust the linking phrases, and expand the structure until it reflects your understanding. When everything looks good, click Save, then use the back arrow to return to your page. Your concept map is now reusable and can be inserted anywhere you need it. To bring it into a page, edit the page, click Insert, choose Mind Maps, and select Import Existing. Pick your concept map, and it drops right in. If you only need the concept map on a single page, you can also create it directly. Just click Insert, choose Mind Maps, and select Concept Map. The editor opens, and you can build the map manually or let AI generate a starting point. You can always adjust the AI version to match your need. After you're done, save and close the editor, and the concept map will appear on your page.